Germany eases out of coronavirus lockdown with partial opening of shops and schools. German Chancellor Angela Merkel holds a news conference after discussing with German state premiers on whether to prolong or phase out the lockdown to combat COVID-19 at the Chancellery in Berlin, Germany, April 15, 2020, as the spread of the coronavirus disease, COVID-19, continues in Munich. REUTERS. Germany has achieved a fragile intermediate success in its fight against the coronavirus and will take small steps out of lockdown with the partial reopening of shops next week and schools from May 4, Chancellor Angela Merkel said on Wednesday. Social distancing rules would remain in place until May 3 under the measures that Merkel and the governors of Germany's 16 states agreed at Wednesday's meeting. They plan to meet again on April 30 to review how to proceed after May 3. Under Wednesday's agreement, retailers whose shops are up to 800 square meters will be allowed to open next week, along with car and bicycle dealers, and bookstores, though they must practice strict social distancing and hygiene rules. Schools would start opening from May 4, with priority given to final year students. Hairdressers could also reopen then. The federal and state governments strongly recommended Germans wear face masks on public transport and when shopping. Religious gatherings will remain banned and restaurants, bars, cafes, cinemas and music venues shut, with big events banned until August 31. We are now moving forward in small steps, Merkel told a news conference. It is a fragile situation in which caution is required, not exuberance. In a document outlining their agreement, the federal and state leaders said they would support voluntary use of a contact tracing app, when available, so people can quickly learn when they have been exposed to an infected person. They backed a European initiative called Pan-European Privacy Preserving Proximity Tracing, PEPPT. Germany's confirmed coronavirus cases have risen by 2,486 to 127,584, the Robert Koch Institute, RKI, for Infectious Diseases said, with a reported death toll of 3,254 people. Merkel's cabinet had already decided to extend border controls to Austria, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg and Denmark by 20 days to early May, an Interior Ministry spokesman said.